Zinc Die Casting. Processes and advantages. The contents of this video is everything you need to know about zinc die casting and its use. You will learn: what is zinc die casting? Zinc die casting methods. Products produced by zinc die casting. Zinc alloys used for zinc casting. And much more. Chapter 1. What is zinc die casting? Chapter 2. What are the different methods used in zinc die casting? Hot chamber zinc die casting. Die. Single die. Multiple die. Combination die. Unit die. Hot chamber zinc die casting. Furnace. Gooseneck. Nozzle. Plunger or piston. Die. Complete hot chamber zinc die casting process. The complete process involves chamber filling, injection, pressure, cooling, finishing. Cold chamber zinc die casting. Die. Furnace. Shot chamber. Hydraulic piston or plunger. Cold chamber zinc die casting process. The typical cold chamber zinc die casting sequence unfolds as follows. Pouring. Plunger movement. Ejection. Finishing. Choosing the right zinc die casting method. Chapter 3. What are the leading zinc die casting machines available? Model, ERP, CC25. Manufacturer, ERP. Model, ZL60. Manufacturer, FREC, USA. Model, HMT 1600. Manufacturer, Bueller Prints Incorporated. Model ZDC 2000. Manufacturer, Techmeyer. Model ZP8. Manufacturer, Oscar Freck GmbH Plus Company, KG. Frequently asked questions. What is zinc die casting and why is zinc alloy used? What are the main differences between hot chamber and cold chamber zinc die casting? Which industries commonly use zinc die casting? How do multi-cavity and combination dies benefit zinc die casting production? What are some leading zinc die casting machine models and their key features? Are zinc die casting machines readily available in the United States and Canada? Chapter 4. What types of zinc are used in zinc die casting? Zamic 2. Zamic 3. Zinc 5. ZA8. ACU Zinc 5. Easy AC. ZA12. GDSL Gus Druck Sonderlegierung. Chapter 5. What are the common components and parts made from zinc alloys? Automobile parts. Components for vehicles made through die casting include gears and pulleys, door locks, enclosures, rear view mirrors, sunroof, windshield wipers, stress-bearing parts, medical instruments, zinc alloy locks, electronics, heat sinks, customized zinc die castings, Chapter 6. What are the advantages of using zinc die casting? Tooling cost. Strength and rigidity. Precision. Mechanical properties. Conductivity. Complex geometries. Surface finish. Faster production. Easy assembly. Chapter 7. Zinc versus Aluminum Die Castings. What are zinc and aluminum? Differences. Hardness. Strength. Effects of temperature. Applications. Uses for die casting. Zinc. Aluminum. Recyclability. Aluminum. Zinc. Conclusion. Please visit www.iqsdirectory.com to find the right zinc die casting manufacturers for your needs.